Step-by-step guide on investing your money and becoming ultra wealthy. Listen, if you're anywhere between 15 and 25 years old and you're not doing this, then listen up. It only takes 30 minutes and it will change your life. Trust me. Go to the App Store and download M1 Finance. It's the brokerage that we're going to be using. It's the one I use, and it's the easiest in my opinion. You can use ones like Fidelity, TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, but for this example, we're using M1 Finance. Open the app and hit sign up now. Fill out email and password, hit continue, fill out the information, and some more information, and some more, your employment status, SS number, and then continue on with the sign up process until you're fully into the platform. Hit invest and you'll get a page something like this. Choose securities. Then hit funds at the top right next to stocks. And for this, we're just going to do a 3-fund portfolio: total stock market ETF, S&P 500 ETF, and total international ETF. Edit the name of your portfolio. Then you're going to want to hit show more, connect bank, connect instantly or connect manually. I got a couple connected already, but you can connect one right there. Choose your bank. And then once you choose it, hit deposit. Make sure this is right. Choose the amount and hit transfer. Then once you're done with the first deposit, hit deposit again right there. Choose your bank and make sure that this is good. And then also hit switch to recurring transfer. Then choose the frequency of which you want to recur your transfer. I personally do weekly. You guys can do bi-weekly or monthly. Doesn't matter as long as you're consistently investing. And we're doing this recurring transfer because you guys and myself are just a bunch of lazy fucks and we don't want to constantly go back in the app and consistently buy. It's just going to do it for us, and we're going to act as if it's a tax and just set it, forget it, and never look at it. But you will have to swipe up on this little slider and make sure that auto invest is turned on. That is super important, so that way your money just doesn't sit there and is not invested. That little slider will invest it automatically for you. And please, 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 if you have any questions regarding any of this or don't know any of it, let me know in the comments. I want to help you and answer your questions. I believe every single one of us should be doing this and get financially literate, so that way we don't even have to worry about money in life. Guys can become wealthy. Fall for more, and you're welcome.